Arctic update for the 23rd of February 2019. Late February, getting towards the end of winter, but not quite. Here we are with the mean temperature, and it's been hugging the median, the mean, very well this year. Not up here, exaggerated peaks or anything, which it has been for the last 3 or 4 years. It's been doing those things, and it's been quite low this year, particularly right now. If you look on Nullschool model temperature, you see it's quite cold over here. So normally this is the warmest section of the Arctic Circle. It's minus 38 degrees over there, and this is about the mean. This is about the average, long-term mean, 1958 to 2002. So it's about the average right now of what you get. So it's been rather cold. We can see that by looking at the black line here. This year's is the black ice volume, and you can see it's higher than the years previous and hugging right up near the mean. It's a very interesting time here. You see the red line, well, that was 2015. That's the oldest data set on this, about a 5-year data set. And this is where it started to fall away, coming up soon. And it fell away to low winter maximums for a few years after 2015. So it's very interesting to see, are we going to buck the trend here and keep continuing up? All signs so far say yeah, but you never know what's going to happen. It's been steadily cold. We're going to get some big peaks here. The ice is going to keep growing for about another, what's that, 1.5 months. Even though it's going to start warming up soon, so we're nearly at the end, so it's going to start warming up, but the ice keeps growing for about another 1.5 months, probably up to this 100-day bit here. I can't quite remember what it did last year, but it turns, you think it would start dying down straight away, but it doesn't. It keeps, because it's still below freezing, you see. Still below freezing here, so the ice is still growing, and it's going to keep growing for a while, up to about mid-April. But the last years, it's started to peak earlier and lesser. So about mid-April peak on these low years, but it was lesser. So we're already at the maximum it was for 2017, 2016. 2018 was a bigger year. But we've already reached the maximum it was in 2016 and 2017. Is that right? Yeah, I think so. 2016 and 2017. We're already there, so we're going to beat those years, definitely, even if it flatlines from here. But all signs, it's been quite a cold winter up there, and it's about this time last year where the ice level picked up. And the ice level's picked up a little bit since about this time last year. So interesting things happen at the end of February, start of March in the Arctic. So it's worth paying attention right now. Let's have a look at, how do we go back to that? Let's have a look at 30 months ago, 30 days ago, 1 month ago. See, that was 30 days ago. Now, before, now, before, now. You see a bit of more growth of the red ice here. It's been steady, good growth, a lot more thickening up into here now. Take note of those. See the blue up near the Russian side there is growing, thicker ice over there. So there's plenty of ice around. Been a good year, and now's the time to watch. Is it going to continue to drop from about now like it has in the last 4 years, or are we going to 4 or 5 years, or are we going to buck the trend and see what happens? We will see what happens. Till next time.